So I brought the power armor inside because it's about 0 degrees outside and my camera batteries don't really like the cold weather. You can see that I was getting a little bit of movement. I was using one of these little LiPo packs that I've got kicking around. I don't have the control mechanism fully assembled. That is because, well, during some off-screen tests I actually started burning it out. Because I'm using some really tiny switches in order to accomplish that. And you can see it. Here's my finger for reference. So these are small switches, only rated for 5 amps. So when the actuators start getting resistance, like this joint tends to right here, they blow the switch and have a bad time. And I've also blown a small wire, so that's not a good thing. I mean, puffs of smoke are fun to watch, but they aren't fun to actually be privy to. But it technically works. So this is the controller itself. There's a switch right in here, right here, right on top here, and right under there. Now what's supposed to work is you push the handle forward and backwards. That moves the shoulder up and down, move it side to side, moves the shoulder laterally away from the torso, perpendicular to it. Move it up and down, and that would actually move the elbow of the arm. And then twisting it would, in fact, twist the arm. And you can actually hear the toggles clicking in there. But, because these switches are not very highly rated, I blew them. So, what I need to do is reprint this again, but this time for the larger switches that I've ordered. So, if you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe, share it with others, and remember, bigger is always better. Bye-bye.